one is the sleeves. You can there's three. You basically can put 13, 13, 13, or whatever. You have so many numbers you can add to make 39 and a half. So that's the problem. A lot of places, a lot of tailors, all they care is for the front numbers in the front here, like right here. So so that's the problem, because every time they cut, then each of it, sometimes they'll be like, okay, I'll do 13, 13, and 13 and a half. Sometimes they'll do, you know what, I'll do 12, 12, and 15 and a half. They all add up to 39 and a half. But the fit of but the sizes are different on each part. So which makes the customer says, no, this is not how I like it. And the shop will say, well, it's 39 and a half. But we all, sorry, but we always keep the pieces different. So even though a customer cuts it 10 times, or after 5 years, it's going to feel exactly the same thing because we cut it exactly the same piece. No. Okay. So we take the measurement. You see the numbers in front here, the one in blue pen on top in front. You see here? That's the size. Okay. So over here, this is the chest size, 39 and a half. So the chest size, the jacket has the front piece. So if you look at it prospectively, this part, this is the front piece. You see, this is the arm, and this is the lapel. Yeah. So 2.5 is the size of the lapel, 2.5 inches. Okay. So here, this is 9 1/8 is basically how they cut it, right? This is the side piece on the jacket. You'll have a side piece here, right? That's for, and this is the half back. So basically, you need to take 8 3/4 here, multiply it by 2. That'll be 16, 17 and a half, plus 4.7, plus this, and then plus this. Yeah, but this is not my job to do. This is the master cutter's job to do. But I want to be able to upload this pattern into the system. What I do right now is once the custom here, let me show you this. Let me sorry. Um, and I do it only for people that's really picky and has an issue. So um, let's say one two-piece suit. Yeah. Okay. So this is what I do for my clients. Whatever, like here, this is the exact filling of what it is. All his details, whatever he wants, all in here, right? The pants are in the same way, all in one file. Um, and the most important part is this part. So he once the sizing is perfect, we update this, and every time he cuts, we give this to the cutter. What does this do? This makes sure that every time the cutter cuts, he cuts it exactly the same size. Each piece to be exactly the same size. So by doing that, the customer always gets the same exact size of the jacket. Yeah. I need the pattern. I need to scan it and upload it. I can be taking with a photo and upload it even easier. Okay, this needs to be done because this is how I do for Europe. Okay, for example, Alexander Perrin. Shit. Okay, I don't have it pattern there, Andreas. Okay, so like here, I'll have a pattern right here. So every time he makes a new suit, right? These guys, I don't know, man. They stay the same size. Seriously, I don't know how. So I will update this. You see, now I have the size for +0 because this is the clothing size. Okay. So I'll have this, all the details are there. Basically, I come in, I just update this, I change that, and then quantity, and I'm pretty much done. That's how I work. So with that, and then I will print this out. I'll print his jacket and trouser out. Oh shit, that that's a bit too old. So this wasn't me. Okay, that was my mom. I'm okay. Paulus. Okay, Paulus is new. This is the order book. So this is what I use on the tablet and I write. So that's the order form. After I made for him, COVID hit, so I didn't see him again yet. Um, I need to see who I see all the time. Marcus Reichenberger. Okay, let's see. Shirt pattern. Here. So this is like a shirt pattern.